Greetings, GetZooksters. This is part 3 in our ongoing series of how to build your very own unlimited size World Wide Web presence. At the end of part 2, we had clicked the submit button after copying and pasting from the main many1.net/GetZooks portal. And here's what we get. Now, what you'll notice is that it looks somewhat different from the portal we copied from. It's missing this graphic and it's missing the video up here. So what we're going to do is actually go back, edit, and bring these videos in. One thing I suggest you do is double click here on YouTube so that you can open up the YouTube channel here. And the reason we're going to do this is that we're going to need to grab this URL. You just want to right click and copy it. So let's go back to our training portal, which has been created specifically for this series. And you'll also notice that I made some typos, right? This is the first time that we're going to go in and edit this page. So let me show you how we put in this big graphic, the video, and we can even change the typos that we put on our name. In fact, I'm going to call this video training, GetZooks video training. Now, the big graphic that we saw, let me show you again, this one, it's going to go in here under current portal image. Now, if you don't have this graphic, simply right click on it, click on save the image as. I already have done that, so I have it in my computer. And I'm going to come here, I'm going to browse, I'm going to go and find this image. Here it is. I'm going to double click on it. You see it shows up right there. That's going to create the really big image, and it will show up here because that is the current portal image. Now I'm also going to want to put my video in here, and if you look at how Many1 works, it's really simple. You can save, you can look at source code for people who know how to use that, import text, even things from a Word document, cut and replace. There's a spell check. Highly suggest we all do spell check on our things. We can change hyperlinks, add them, anchors, you name it. It's pretty much just like a Word document, only you can include images, flash, and video. And that's what we're going to do. We're going to put the video in. So we'll come in here, a little box opens up. I still have on my clipboard the YouTube video. I hit tab and tab, and then it shows up here. I click OK. It comes in as a flash little box, and I want to increase it to the size that I want. Try to kind of even out the difference between the words and the size of the video. Yeah, it's a little bit big at the moment. Let me bring that down. Alright, that looks pretty good. Now one of the things you're going to want to do too is change the link that was brought over. So put your mouse on the hyperlink. It'll open in a window, and then you want to put in your GetZooks page, your referral page. And you press OK. And you come down to the bottom. You also want to see under related websites, you want to make sure you put in your app equals my GZ page. And you may also want to click on this button, Customize Portal Layout. Now you may want to use a logo that shows up at the very top, or how about a banner? I'm going to add a banner. Here's my banner. See how that just showed up in there? And I don't really suggest you use wallpaper. So let's come back down to the bottom of the page. We're going to submit it. And let's see how our page looks now. Alright, we've got GetZooks Video Training Portal. That looks right. We've got our big picture up here now. That looks right. We've got our video in there. That looks right. And I've already imported some other articles. In the next couple videos, I'm going to show you how to take other people's content, such as this content that I got off of the main many1.net/GetZooks page, and really all I did was add it to my current portal. That'll be in the next series, is how to bring other people's content into your own portal, whether it's topics like this or it's individual articles. So let's move on to video number 4.